guys, August 29th, 2024. This one I got a call from a guy. He's got a, I guess like an insurance company. The AC is not working over there. He says the unit's on the ground outside. They usually ask me if it's a rooftop unit. You know, because I don't really have a big ladder on my truck to get up on the roofs. So, you know, if it's like a rooftop unit, I usually tell them to call a certain company that, you know, guys do a lot of commercial work. I try to stay residential. I just like residential better. Anyway, we're gonna go over there. There's no AC. Talked to him last night. He called me from his house. He wasn't sure if they left the unit running or not. Most likely. Flip and leave it running, cook the flipping thing till it's dead, right? Typical bullshit. Anyway, we're gonna go over there and see if we can find out what's wrong with it. Maybe fix it.
Turn left at the stop sign.
I'll run for 5 minutes before it comes on. Let's see if it starts. Fan's not working. See it?
Yep.
Good thing I told you to shut it off. Would have cooked it. Alright, so you gotta go, we gotta cut this disconnect. Yep. Go inside and shut off the thermostat so it don't run.
Alright.
Yep, see?
Yep.
Flipping thing's not. Burn it out. Either we got a bad fan there or our capacitor's bad. He's got this thing flipping locked, which I don't like that. Hey. Universal key.
There you go.
Unfortunately, I gotta be able to shut the power off, you know.
Oh, yeah.
Fucking. Oh, you don't miss Florida? Not this time of year.
Not this time of year. Nope.
What the hell's going on here?
Although I got a friend down there that's sick, I think I'm going down next month.
Alright, shut the power off now. I mean, I gotta be able to shut the power off to it.
Well, 50 your friends, 55 your friends.
Let's check that capacitor, see if it's any good. Compressor was running. It should be the fan part, the orange. I don't know what size that is. -80. We'll see if the 10 part's bad. That's spinning. The other one's probably fine because the compressor was running, but we just should check it. Should probably check that other one too, just for shits and giggles while I'm here, right? Because this hard start might be starting the unit. That one's dead too. So I need an 80-10. And that's the fan is the other. I want to put the fan. I need an 80-10. The hard start was probably starting the compressor. Let me see if I got an 80-10. That's kind of a weird size. I know I got 80-75s, but an 80-10, I don't think I do. 87.5s in the back there. I might have an 80 and a 10 separate. a 10. These are 80-5s. Or 60. The 80 is kind of a rare transformer. It's a big sucker. $80, and I'll need a 10. I could jump it on, we'll get it going that way. All 7 5s, 10. I usually like to look at shit when I'm in here. If I'm running low on something, I'll get some more, you know. Some more 10s over there. 10s. Screw these in here somehow. You got it off inside, right?
Yes.
I got the power off here too, just to...
Did you have the right part?
Huh?
Did you have the right ones?
Yep, I got an 80 and a 10. I got to put 2 separate ones in there, but it will work like that. Just, as long as it works, right?
That's it.
As long as I get that fucker in there. How's your other house working out? Good? Fine? No problems?
No problems, yeah. It's right here. Yeah. Did a good
It's going to
job.
be a 10 and an 80. This is kind of an odd size an 80. I have one separate. I mean, they don't come across them too often. Either that or I got to run and try to find this shit, and half the time they don't have them.
Yeah.
So let's do it this way, okay?
That works. Works for me.
It works for you, right? As long as it works.
As long as it works, it works.
That's all I care about. Fucking thing works. I'm not a big fan of these 3/4 ones. They always seem to be an issue. Alright, that ain't gonna go nowhere. Alright, so the compressor is this purple one. This is gonna go here. And the yellow is gonna go here. It pulls in the contactor when the thermostat calls. We got everything disconnect. We got everything. The power's off to it right now, but wait, when we turn it on, we want everything to run. So.
Yeah. With no sparks, huh?
We don't want no sparkers, not yet. Not yet. That's a low voltage. You got to change the filters inside, though. You can do that, right?
I can do that. Yep.
Okay. The brown is going to be the fan. That's going to be this one. Fan. And then the orange is the common. Go here. This orange is the common also. It's going to go here. I just need a jumper across this common to that common. We could probably put the hard stop back on it too. put a jumper across them two, which it doesn't have to be crazy. I should have a jumper wire in the truck. Let me see what I got. Sometimes I save jumpers, you know, from another job.
Yep.
There you go. You got the orange right here. With the orange jumper. Just gotta jump out. Gotta jump out the two commons so that both commons are tied together.
As long as it works.
Huh?
As long as it works.
Well, we'll find out right now if it works. I'm gonna leave that other unit in there for the simple reason that so the mice don't get up in here.
Ah, okay. They do like winter homes, huh?
Hmm?
They do like winter homes.
Right, so that's gonna be, and I could probably put that capacitor, put the hot start back on there to help the compressor start. That's the only thing that was starting the compressor was the hot start kit that was on there. I'm gonna put it back. Now, when we turn it on, both the fan and the compressor should run.
Do you plug that in here before I go in and turn it on? Or?
Yeah, no, I'm going to plug it in here and try it. And plug it in here, and then I should be able to push that, and both the fan and the compressor should run. Then we know we're good.
Okay. Yep.
I'm just doing away with that one, and I'm putting two separate ones here, an 80 and a 10.
Yep.
Because I didn't have that one. That's a weird size. All right. Yeah. I saved you again. Will it run? Here we go. That's why I tell you, when the air conditioner is not working, shut it off, because they would have just burnt the compressor. They would have ran into it, burnt out. Especially in a commercial building like this, because they don't know.
I'll make sure they know.
All right, let me button it up, and we should be good.
Awesome.
All right, so I had to add a 80 and a 10. I mounted them right there. It's fine. It's out of the way. It's going to turn it on, and we're going to check it. Clean back here, it's not dirty. It's coming out nice and warm out of the top here, so that's a good sign. We're getting nice and cold. That's working. Getting a nice 07. These aren't bad units, these rods. Nice unit, nice and clean, it's not dirty. I mean, she's old, but she's still working. That's all we care about, right?
How long do they usually
25 years at the most, you know.
Okay, so we're getting close.
Well, I mean, as long as it's still working, let it run. This is an R22. I mean, they're coming out with all this new shit now.
Yeah.
All flammable shit, blow up the flipping space shuttle. Yeah, so you should probably cut this stuff down over here a little bit. Yeah. You got lucky. All right, we're good.